That's crazy.
Hanging over the canyon.
Dang, there's people up over there walking. That's the course we'll be shooting later today. Looking for the range right now, but we're up on the mountain in Park City at Canyons, and it is just so sick. This is so cool. And I think you can win that truck. You got to shoot from 100 yards and hit it on the bullseye, but pretty sweet either way. See that lion way out there, bro?
Yeah.
That's insane. I forgot to record the first target because we were so excited, but here's this one. Oh done. Shit. Mine's right underneath it, and my first one's right underneath that branch. So no lie, this is my second shot. Getting used to shooting it. We're at higher altitude and we're uphill, downhill, so it's interesting. Nice, bro. That's like a raccoon.
Yeah.
He dead.
Oh,
nice, dude. That was sick.
Right above nice. Yep.
Went ahead and shot 2 on this just because I want to shoot this new 4-fletching one. But my first one is the orange. Ben got closer than me on that one. Can you spot the deer? Let me make it easier for you. Through those trees. 45 yards down there. Ben's got the honors. Get out of your way. Nice. That's awesome.
All right, Sean, let's see what you got here.
You zoomed in on it? Go number 2.
Just hit 2?
Yep. Like I shot it like right over your shoulder so you can see the arrow fly. 45, right? Dude,
nice.
I think that was good.
That looked good.
Are they? I haven't looked yet. I'm looking for snakes is what I'm doing. Oh yeah, one right above the other. Hell yeah, dude. Check that out. Sweet, man. Good shots.
You want to dial this in? You went crazy, huh? Low, just underneath the belly.
Just under. This one was at 71 yards. And I hit just underneath it, man.
I see 2.
Like the second, like the micro chest.
Oh, just under.
You're gonna need that.
Sound like I hit it.
Sean got the stomach nice and low. I got the neck.
Right.
Right hand side.
Yeah.
Like it.
I'm trying to take it right now. The camera doesn't pick up how sloped it is.
Bear's dead.
A little low. About as close as you can get without missing right there. Wow.
Sean with the 71-yard shot. Right in the spine. Shot. Sean with the high back shot. Broke his back.
Alrighty, fellas. Made it back home finally. And I've been able to collect my thoughts on the drive. I will say this, that was one of, if not the most challenging physical things I've done. I don't know about ever, but in a long time. I'm not in the best physical shape I've ever been in my life, but this is definitely motivation to get back to that. This was extremely fun, extremely challenging. It was my first time ever to a TAC event. As you guys know, well, I haven't talked about it a whole lot. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know. But I picked up bow hunting not too long ago, and I've fallen in love with it. It's an awesome sport. Even if you don't go hunting, even if you're just into archery, TAC is super fun. And know this, they did not pay me to say any of this. I paid a fee to get in, and I suffered the walk and did all that. I am just proud of myself. I pushed past my limits. My feet are wrecked, my shoulders are wrecked, but I'm super happy, man. That was amazing. We did the Yeti course out at Park City. Really fun, 25 targets. I think they ranged between like 30 yards and 80 yards or something like that. But it was a blast. So much fun. I highly recommend it. If they're ever in your area, definitely look it up and try and get in. You got to get in early because they sell out so quick, so quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm ecstatic. I'm pumped. I'm ready for hunting season. I have a bull elk tag. I have a mule deer buck tag. So I've got some hunting to do, and that means I've got to get into some shape, and I got to do it quick. So I won't get to my goals for this season, but it's never a better time to start than now. I won't go on and on about that. Just to let you guys know, bow hunting's fun, TAC was fun, and I'm excited to share this part of my life and my adventure with you guys here on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoy. As you can hear, my throat is shot. We breathed in a lot of dirt, and I gotta go in and shower up, get clean. We have company in town, so we're gonna go eat dinner tonight. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting everything I do. Truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And we'll catch you boys back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.